Okay, now we need to create the UV rays and the sun rays coming from the sun towards the earth in this simulation. UV rays, which are more harmful among these rays, are destroyed when they hit the ozone layer. It prevents the UV rays that are reached to the earth. Also, sun rays, which are less harmful, get past the ozone layer and they are destroyed when they hit the surface of the earth. First, let's create the sun rays and the UV rays that come from the sun towards the earth. In the beginning, we have created two groups called group sun rays and group UV rays. It would be fine if we add sun rays and UV rays, which we have created here, to those two groups. A function MindFunction code block is dragged down from the function row code block like this by clicking functions. Let's give the name of the function as rays. First, a var sprite equal create sprite block under sprites is dragged into the rays function to create the sun rays. Let's give the sprite as sun rays. Now, a x position and a y position should be given for these created sun rays. Since we are creating a group of sun rays, all these sun rays will not be created in the same place. On the screen, in different places around the sun rays need to be created randomly. So, let's give random numbers to x position and y position. I click map and drag a random number code block here. For the x position, a value between 210 and 400 is appropriate. Let's enter 210 and 400 here. A random number code block is dragged under map for the y position in the same way. 10 and 150 are given as the random numbers here. Now we need to give a color for the sun rays we created. Let's click sprites and drag a sprite.shape color code block here for that. I give as sun rays here. I give the color here as white. Also, the scale of the sun rays need to be adjusted. For that, let's click sprite again and drag a sprite.scale block here. Let's give as sun rays as the sprite and give 0.04 as the scale in front here. These sun rays coming towards the earth do not last forever. There is a lifetime for a sun ray. During this lifetime, if it hits the earth's surface, it will be destroyed. Otherwise, when the lifetime is over, it will be destroyed automatically. Let's give a lifetime of 120 seconds for the sun rays. For that, I drag a sprite.lifetime code block under sprites like this. Let's give the sprite as sun rays and type 120 here. We use the variable total sun at the beginning to count the total number of sun rays created here. 1 needs to be added to the value of this variable when a sun ray is created. Let's drag an x equal code block under variables like this. Instead of x, total sun is given. A code block is dragged with the addition sign in the maths section to the right side of the equal sign. And to this side, we will give total sun, and to the right side, we will type 1.